Better thermals. We've opened up the top panel to achieve even better thermal efficiency. The perforated panel provides improved ventilation as warm air flows through the top of the chassis. Radiators. The top and front of the case support radiators up to 360 mm for maximum cooling support. 3 pre-installed RGB fans mean users get RGB cooling right out of the box. Building simplified. Streamline the build process with an improved cable management system. Wider cable channels provide more room to easily route cables, while the addition of hooks adds stability. A modern look. The H7 combines the modern look of the H-series with new color options that fit in seamlessly with any aesthetic. Each color is paired with glass tinting that complements the respective chassis. Better with CAM. The built-in RGB fan controller allows users to personalize RGB lighting and control fans with NZXT CAM. Mix and match any NZXT RGB lighting accessories and sync them across multiple channels. Top reviews from the United States. All that you want, except fans. This is an awesome case. This is only my third PC build. So, I am no expert. This is the easiest cable management and general organization of parts I've ever experienced. I bought the white case because others were not available. It ended up looking much better than expected. I expect this case to last many years, or at least until ARM takes over the PC space. Good luck, losers.